isosceles triangle is 32 centimeters. Ratio of one of the equal sides to its base is 3:2. Find the area of the triangle. Means equal sides. One of the equal sides means one side is 3 and that unequal side is 2. It means the triangle will be like this: 3, 3 and 2. So let the sides be 3x, 3x and 2x. So perimeter is what? Adding all these 3x plus 3x plus 2x equals to 32 because it's given. So you get 8x equals to 32, x equals to 4. So the sides become 3 for the 12, 3 for the 12 and 2 for the 8. Right? Now we come to Heron's formula because we want the area. What is Heron's formula? Heron's formula is S equals to, this is an imaginary figure we have to find out. Means half of the perimeter. So S equals to a plus b plus c upon 2 means these sides total upon 2, perimeter upon 2 basically. So perimeter is 32, you get S equals to 16. Therefore area equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Right? So you get 16 into 16 minus 12 into 16 minus 12 into 16 minus 8 and square root. 16 into 4 into 4 into 8. Square root of 2048. Now 2048 square root is what? By division method you have to find out 45.25. Now what is division method? You have learnt in the earlier standards. I'll show you over here, or you can follow the videos of my 7th and 8th standard also. See this division method. 2048 bring 2 down, 4 for the 16, then 4 remains, bring 2 down over here means both the 48. This 8, 85, 5 the 448, then 425, then bring 23, then bring 20, then you can continue. But in exam you did not go higher because only 45, your answer will be around 45 over there. So the answer is 45.